Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, move to it.
Okay, so this is called Lan Kwai Fong in Chengdu, which is basically a nightlife area. So we're going to, there's another sign over there, Lan Kwai Fong. So we're basically going to try to film it and just kind of see what's all going on in the street. Okay. Chengdu at night. This is kind of the bar district. This is one of a few. This one's called Lan Kwai Fong, which is the same name as the Hong Kong one. And this is along the river, and this is basically where all the bars and clubs are at in this location, from what I could see when I was walking around. And this is what it looks like at nighttime. And just so you don't know, this is the map. I'll show the map behind me as well. And also, just so that you know, I have more down below, so you can see other Chengdu videos, and I'll be uploading more as well. So subscribe. That's all I gotta say, subscribe. So let's check out the nightlife scene in Chengdu. Lan Kwai Fong. This looks like a really busy street. It looks like definitely a nightlife street. You got all kinds of people waiting for something. And we're just gonna walk through the middle of it. So that right there is where the taxi stand is at. We're gonna walk all the way down. Hello. So we got lots of clubs here. Chuggy. I'm just gonna walk all the way down. More clubs in that area. So I don't know if I should go down. It's okay, thank you. No. So it looks like we got clubs down in this direction as well. Okay, let me see. Actually, there's quite a few in here. So it looks like this one you'd go up the escalators or go into these clubs over here as well. Got tons of stuff, okay. Oh, okay, I've heard of this one, Revolution Cocktail. But we're gonna keep on walking, so I wanna see what else is around here. So we're gonna walk further down the street. Try to get a taste of Lan Kwai Fong. Looks pretty interesting. That Revolution Revolution is one that I've seen mentioned. And I don't know if the street is what it's like earlier or later or what, but there's another street that's also a bar street. We're gonna walk all the way down to that one. Looks like they're cleaning up, so it's possible that it goes, it's all water on the ground too. So I don't know what time the bar's closed, but it's probably not even 12 right now.
Okay. So actually, I don't know. I'm gonna slow down a little bit because I'm just kind of behind people walking slowly. So this could be the main bar area. There's another bar area I saw as well on the river. So we're gonna walk as far down as we can go and see with it. We're in Chengdu. So the city is about 11 million people. And I think this is, I saw some videos of Bar Street on the Riverwalk. So if this isn't it, then it's another one that I'm going to be going to later. We just kind of see where this is. So it looks like there's more stuff in here. Neon dance. We'll kind of tap inside and just kind of see what it looks like, and then we're gonna continue down the Riverwalk. Oh, okay. There's a lot of bars in here. So this is a pretty busy bar street in here. So I'm gonna head out this way and see what's over here. Huh, okay. So this just kind of goes deep into bars. Neon Dance, NB2, and there's more down that way. Okay. I guess what I'm gonna do is go down this way. Could go pretty much any direction in here. So we're gonna cruise all the way through and go back to the Riverwalk. So I don't know how this will come out in the camera later. Hib Hub. So actually there's just tons of bars everywhere in here. There's more down here. Tiki Boom Cocktail. Okay. So I don't really know which one to go to. Oh, they got a performance in here. Huh. Hip Hub. So I guess that's a popular place. So we got the Riverwalk, which is straight ahead. I'm gonna walk down further. Huh. Didn't expect this. I don't know how it'll look on the camera later. Whiskey Boom Cocktail. So I'm gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, I think this must be the Nightlife Street, Bar Street on the Riverwalk. Got the Starbucks and the KTV down here. Okay, we're gonna go down a little bit further. And I believe this comes out to another river. And the other river was one that I filmed earlier today. More music to the left, but it's, if I turn the camera, it doesn't come out very well at nighttime. So we're just gonna stay focused forward. And now we're on the other side of Lan Kwai Fong. And then I believe what's gonna happen is we're gonna come out to, oh, okay. And there's the other area that I was at earlier today. So it looks like we have to cross. Okay. So now I know how this works. So what I'm gonna do we're gonna go across over there. So okay, so I was over here, that Lan Kwai Fong Street, and then earlier I was over here, and I filmed in the daytime over here. And there's lots of bars over there too. Okay. And then there's a temple that we're gonna go to right now, and then we're gonna film and see what's on the other side later at night. So I don't know how this will come out late at night, but basically that's the Lan Kwai Fong